Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We're here with a tutorial on the copy trading section in the ExpertOption broker. As you saw in previous tutorials, you successfully registered and verified your identity in this broker. You also learned about different methods for depositing and withdrawing in this broker. Now, we have a section related to copy trading, where you can copy the trades of other individuals. There isn't a direct copy feature, but we have similar sections that we will explain. For example, in the social section, there's a part where you can see the trades that other traders have made. It shows us the trades that were closed in the last few minutes, like trades that were closed at 11:44. These trades closed 4 minutes ago, and these individuals made this amount of profit. For instance, a person named Savan made a profit of $3,225 from smart trades. We also see the trading volume and the number of trades that closed in the last minute in this section, along with the number of online users and the volume that traders are currently trading. They closed for just 4 minutes. And these individuals made this amount of profit. Savan made a profit of $3,225. It shows the trading volume and the number of trades that closed in the last minute in this section. It shows the number of online users and the volume traders are currently trading. And the number of their trades is displayed on any trade page. We can see the number of open trades and the number of people trading that asset. It shows the volume traders deal with and the sentiment chart, indicating if most trades think the price will go higher or lower than the current level. You can't copy these trades, but you can decide your trades based on this chart and volume. And the number of their trades is shown to us. On the path page for any type of trade, we can see the number of open trades and the number of people trading that asset. It also shows us the volume that these traders are dealing with and the sentiment chart, which indicates whether most trades believe the price will go higher or lower than the current level. You can't directly copy these trades to your account, but you can make decisions in your own trades based on this chart and the trading volume. In the next section, we will see different pairs and trading symbols that you can observe over time frames of 1 minute, 2 minutes, and 5 minutes, showing what type of trades most traders are deciding to make. You can copy these trades, but use chart and volume for trades. Next, see pairs and symbols over 1, 2, and 5 minute frames showing. In the next section on trends, we'll explore various trading pairs and symbols over time frames of 1, 2, and 5 minutes. For instance, in the 5 minute frame, many traders expect the euro to USD price to drop. Use this insight for better trade decisions. This site lacks copy trading. For example, in the 5 minute time frame, most traders believe that the price of euro to USD will be lower than this price. You can also use this information to make better decisions in your trades. So that was a complete explanation regarding the trends and social sections. And as you noticed, on this website, you don't have the option to use the copy trading feature. If you have experience using the social and trend sections in your trading, please share your experiences with us in the comments. And as you may have noticed, you cannot use the copy trading section on this website. If you have experience using the social and trend sections in your trading, please share your experiences with us in the comments. Wishing you success and profitability.